What's up, my YouTube peeps? I'm back with another video. Today, we'll be talking about, scripting. Now, what I do is, I collect script metal and I save it until I get enough. And then I take it and sell it. Well, you kind of gotta know your pros and cons in the scripting business. And, you gotta know when to sell it. And, sometimes, like, you gotta check the prices to see where they are and stuff like that. But, if you want a job, either trucking or, working, look me up on Facebook, and, I should have some applications, online. You can fill one out and send it to me, and, I'll see what I can do. I'm also looking for a semi-truck. If any of you know anybody who's giving away a semi-truck, like I said, just look me up on Facebook, and I'll see what I can do. This is Outlaw, signing off. Peace.